everyone, welcome to the channel. And so thank y'all for being here, new subscribers and those who've been here for a long time. Here are some behind the scenes things that have been going on and I've been working on. So I'm gonna pull my camera down so y'all can see. Let me pull this up. So if you go to my about page, so if you go to the about page right here, and you see where it says links. So you click on the links. There we go. And then you see the description, and then we have my cookbook here. Apps I've been working on this. I'm doing a food and Bible app. So I combine those together. I have my food links. Most of them are all there. I'll show you all these in a little bit. States of Our Hearts is an autobiography of my life. Then we have my wish list, Anastasia's wish list, BuyMeACoffee. Square is the same thing as PayPal, and then our merch store. So I have been doing busy and everything. So, and these links I also put down at the bottom of my videos and everything. Well, we're going to sit here. I'm going to click on these so y'all can see. There is my cookbook. Dairy-free and alcohol cookbook. Easy on this camera. And it's $9.99. That's a basic price for any ebook. I am still working on getting this to where you can purchase it as a soft cover and hardcover. Right now it's an ebook and everything, and it is available on Kindle if you have a Kindle. So there is the cookbook. Okay, so here are the apps. All right, so this is Rest and Roots. And I might change the name, but this is what I came up with. Everything: simple food, real faith, a slower life. For women with restricted diets who are done being overwhelmed and ready to live well anyway. It is for everybody, but when I was making it and everything, that's how it came out. So you got today's devotional. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. And then it talks about a little devotion, your body. It's okay not to have it all together, and God sees you and everything. So then you can go back to home. And 3 pillars in 1. I have faith and prayer, food and healing, and simple living. Today's devotional, recipe library, prayer wall, and shop resources. And I do have plans, for if you want to do Bible study or you want to do meal planning. You can combine both of them. And just something that I have been through different things on my life, and I combined it all into one, combine these together. So there's a faith and prayer, food and healing. Now I do have recipes here. Some I do have, some I've had a long time ago. We used to eat salmon all the time growing up and everything, the canned salmon. Ever since I had my pacemaker, I have a hard time eating fish, but I put it there because I have ate it, So, and there'll be more recipes coming also, and then, to help out. So, then you got dairy-free, alpha-gal, low inflammation, quick meals, batch cooking, and bad day meals. Alright, so then you have simple living, batch cooking for real life, simple pantry for restricted diets, navigating family dinners, eating with restrictions while traveling, and simple living as an act of faith. So, meal plan, you can browse, and also traveling, even going out to eat when it's family and everything. If you can't have certain things, have to ask. Always ask. If the waitress or waiter doesn't know, the manager will know. Or, a lot of times they just really, they understand, people have different food restrictions. You have a journal that you can write into. We have community. So you can share prayer, request, and everything. And then the shop is the 7 simple meals that actually work. And these are plans that you can buy, purchase, or you can do a bundle. And then I have some more resources down here that are the same way. Different things that you can work through. So that is that app. My affiliate app. This, I combine most of my affiliates. I still have some more to add. But this is, all my affiliates that I always put at the bottom is all in one place. We have automotive, crafts, yarn, art, teas, bikes, gifts, food, baking, and I have more. Let's see. You click on all. Let's see. There's outdoors, bedding, jewelry, fashion. When you click on it, it will. I'll do a screenshot and show y'all all what it looks like. But yeah, it's all in one place now, and everything from books and like Tractor Supply, there's seeds and all kinds of different things. Sewing, fabric, everything that I have, it's, got Hirschner's, my Adiaga teas, now Ellie Cafe is a coffee. So many things. You can go through it, then you can make, do all kinds, look at it and then save it. States of the Heart is my autobiography from like 2013 and 2015 or so or whatever. Now, stories kind of like, before then too. So, but this is what I have. One person did buy my book, so I am a published author. So then we have my wish list. So the Nesco cooker, and different books and everything. All that I've always wanted. When we were cleaning out the basement, we threw a lot of things away. I threw away my water bath canner and my pressure canner because there was just some things that we just didn't have room for in storage. So we did away with. I did away with that, but I completely. This is nice. I've seen a lot of people have those and everything. So that's on that wish list. This is Anastasia's wish list. Now, some things probably aren't available anymore. So we'll have to go through there. I'll have to get Anastasia to help me to put other stuff there. Yeah, I don't know if those dolls are out there anymore or anything, but, like, she still likes the teacups, stuffies. She loves stuffies, Polly Pocket. And here's some games. She's never had this game, but I've played it lots of times. So that's Anastasia's wish list. BuyMeACoffee is the same. You log in and buy people coffee. And then Square is the same thing as PayPal. So, you would do the same thing. It's just like PayPal. And then our merch store. And I'm adding stuff. I'm looking at new sites for merchandise and everything. So I'll be adding that also. But I have, my favorite saying. God bless, stay safe, love y'all. On mugs, there's Anastasia. There's our stickers. get them on shirts, on coffee mugs. You know, if you want, like, I guess on a plaque, you would go there and pick what you want and everything, on bottles and all kinds of stuff. So that's just what I've been working on behind the scenes, you know. So, you know, yeah, there we go. So thank y'all for watching. I'll keep looking for more. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you later.